math test tomorrow.
Yes, Eula, I already know that. Sort of why I'm studying right now.
But I don't understand anything yet. I'm going to fail. Can you please help me?
Okay, fine. The three things you'll need to know is two-step multiplying, two-step dividing, distributive property, and a few vocabulary words we'll go through later.
Wow, that sounds like a lot.
Don't worry, it's quite easy when you get the hang of things. Let's start with two-step multiplying. Here are the steps to success to isolate the variable. Cancel the constant, balance, simplify, cancel the coefficient, balance, simplify, and don't forget verify.
Oh, I get it.
We'll try to answer this question together. 4h plus 5 equals 13. The constant in the question is 5. How will we cancel the constant?
You use the opposite operation to make a zero pair, right? In this case, you subtract 5.
Correct. Now you do the same thing to the other side to balance everything out and simplify everything out so that it's not messy.
So now to cancel the coefficient, which is the 4. Which in this case, you would divide the 4h by 4.
See? I told you, you'll get the hang of it. What's next?
I do the same thing to the other side, simplify it again, and then I'm finished.
No, Eula. You're done once you verify your answer to make sure you're correct.
Oh well, now I'm done.
Perfect. Now we can work on two-step division. It's the same thing as two-step multiplying, but instead it's dividing. We'll try answering this question. Negative 3 equals h divided by negative 7 plus 19.
Great, so we cancel the constant, which is the 19, using the opposite operation to make a zero pair. So we'll subtract 19, then you balance it by doing the same thing to the other side. Lastly, simplify.
After you do that, you can cancel the coefficient, which is negative 7, by again using the opposite operation. So we'll multiply h divided by negative 7 by negative 7. Then we'll balance it by doing the same thing to the other side, then simplifying it. After all this is done, verify to make sure you did it right.
Gee, this looked pretty hard before, but now it's super easy.
Now, last but not least, we are going to learn about distributive property. This is our question. We are going to use the over and under method to make this equation into an easy two-step multiplying question.
Oh cool, so what do we do first?
We'll start with the over part. What is 6 multiplied by q?
6q?
Correct! Something you need to remember about the under part is that you always bring the operation with you. So what is 6 multiplied by negative 13?
Oh yeah, negative 78.
Yeah. So if we rewrite the question, it will be 6q subtract 78 equals negative 24.
Oh cool, it's a multiplying question. Now this will be easy to solve now.
Good. You can finish that later. Now that you know all the math,
Woohoo!
you need to remember a few definitions first.
Oh,
Do you remember what the variable is?
yeah, it's a symbol for a number we don't know yet, right?
Yeah. So what about a constant?
In algebra, it's a number that stands alone, like this one.
And a coefficient is?
I think it's a number used to multiply the variable.
That's right, Eula. Good job.
Okay, well, thanks for watching.
Even though it was probably really awful.
Okay, thanks, bye.
Yeah, clap.